water to start to mix with our vinegar. We need like a gallon of vinegar here. We need to shut the water off to the tank and away from the tank.
And you take those caps off after you shut the water off, right?
Yep, and these caps will come off. And your hoses go to it. So then you'll take your pump here and put the cold line to the pump to pump the water in.
Okay.
This pump's gonna go in your vinegar solution. And this hose from the hot's just gonna go right back into this tank. So the pump can just pump recycling it through.
Okay.
So get this plugged in. And that's all you're doing is just cycling that water,
Recirculating
that vinegar and
Vinegar
water
water.
through there, and
Yeah.
yep, it'll just keep cycling through and clean off the debris inside the lines, and it should be good to go.
How long do you usually leave it go?
They say it's about a half hour,
Okay.
maybe 20 minutes, half hour.
All right. So you don't need to just use but 1 gallon of vinegar
Yep.
with maybe
Yep.
half a...
Yep, equal parts vinegar to water, so the bucket and the pump sits submerged, and
Okay.
just cycle it through.
Now, okay, so when this is all done, obviously unplug the pump. You
Yep.
just disconnect your,
When you're
your
done,
lines.
you'll unplug the pump, and then you'll just let the
Disconnect.
water cycle through like it's normally doing, because
Right.
it's got water in here now in the vinegar solution.
Yep.
So you'll shut this off, or take this off, turn your cold water on for a little bit to flush the rest of that vinegar out
Okay.
before
and
you
then
turn.
disconnect the hot line.
Yep, and then you can
And then
shut it off again.
Recap both of those valves.
Yep, take the lines off from the hot, recap them both, and you should be good
and
to
you're
go.
ready to go.
Yep.
Perfect. I think that ought to do it.